This is the first time ever that a state has asked an originalist Supreme Court or a majority originalist Supreme Court to overturn Roe.
That's right. Right now, we are continuing our team coverage of this landmark decision. Mississippi asking the Supreme Court to do what's never been done, overturning Roe v. Wade. And Zaria Oates joins me with the timeline of how we got to today by detailing this Mississippi case that got it all started. Right, Zaria?
Yeah, that's right, Richard. This comes just 4 years after the state of Mississippi briefly implemented the Gestational Age Act. The law, established March 19th of 2018, would have prohibited abortions in Mississippi after the 15th week of pregnancy. But just hours after then Governor Phil Bryant signed the ban into action, the Center for Reproductive Rights filed Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization in an effort to block what they deemed an unconstitutional ban.
These are taking away women's decisions over their own bodies.
Less than 24 hours later, on March 20th, 2018, a federal district judge granted emergency relief, blocking enforcement of the ban. Less than 24 hours later, on March 20th, 2018, a federal district judge granted emergency relief, blocking enforcement of the ban. In November 2018, the judge ruled in favor of Jackson Women's Health Organization, stating that the state, quote, chose to pass a law it knew was unconstitutional to endorse a decades-long campaign fueled by national interest groups to ask the Supreme Court to overturn Roe v. Wade. This is Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves in April 2019.
It has been my goal and will continue to be my goal to make Mississippi the safest place in America for an unborn child.
Then, in December 2019, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit affirmed the district court's decision to stop the abortion ban from taking place. But in June 2020, the state of Mississippi filed a petition asking the Supreme Court of the United States to take a stance. SCOTUS announced in May 2021 it would hear the state's appeal of the Fifth Circuit's decision and heard the appeal in December 2021. Flash forward to May 2022, when Politico released that a first draft SCOTUS opinion from February 2022 had been leaked regarding their decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. Now, the decision was made Friday morning to overturn Roe v. Wade, creating a historic precedent for states to have their own rulings on abortion.
All right, and right now we are learning some states are now taking their own initiative to implement anti-abortion laws sooner than the timeline initially set up for if Roe v. Wade was overturned. So a lot happening, and we have to just try and keep track of all of it. Zaria, thank you very much for your time.